Service technicians, we have a scenario for you. Let's visualize for a moment you're at your customer's building. You're going about your business, doing what you do, keeping people safe, when you come across a problem. Your customer needs another set of extinguishers, but you can't drill into the wall. You're going to need a stand. But you don't store them in your van. They're too bulky and inconvenient. You're going to have to go away, order a stand and come back another day. Not ideal for you or your customer. No one wins. Let's rewind a second. Now, imagine you store Firechief flat pack stands in your van. Because why wouldn't you? You can fit 10 stands in the space of one normal stand. They are easy to build in under a minute with no tools needed. They come with multiple bracket kit and magnetized strips for extinguisher ID signs. And they suit all types of extinguisher and environment. With these in your van, you'd be able to solve the problem straight away. Your customer has a shiny new stand and set of extinguishers in their office. And for you, it's another job well done. What are you waiting for? Find out more at firechiefglobal.com today.